guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to recreate a look that I did 1 year ago because at the time I thought it was pretty good, but looking back on it now, my skills have really improved over this past year and it wasn't as good as I actually thought it was. So I'm going to insert a picture of it right here, and I'm going to crop out my acne because it was pretty bad at the time. So without further ado, let's get on with the look. Okay, so I already did my brows, so let's prime the skin using the Benefit Professional Primer. Now, like always, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick in the shade 07 Neutral. And I'm just going to blend that out using my Juno & Co. sponge. Now I'm going to conceal the highest points of the face using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 02. While we're here, I'm going to prime my eyes really fast using that same concealer in the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Okay, now I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Press Powder. Okay, now I'm going to zoom you in so we can get started on the eye look. First, I'm going to dip into the James Charles X Morphe palette in the shade B, and we're going to be taking B on an M535 brush. Now I'm going to go in with 518 on an e.l.f. crease brush just below the yellow. Now going back in with B to help blend it out. And I'm just going to go back and forth with these colors until I like it. Now on an M506 brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Skip, again just deeper into the crease. Now on that same brush, I'm going to go in with Single. Just kidding, I'm actually going to take Single on an M431 brush. I'm going to go back in with that M506 brush and Skip just to blend it out. Now I'm going to deepen up Single with the tiniest bit of Escape. I'm just going back in with each of those colors to help intensify them. Now I'm going to cut the lid using the BH Cosmetics White Concealer and an M421 brush. Now I'm going to blend out the edge with my finger to create a half cut crease. Now I'm going to dip into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with the shimmery sky blue mixed with a little bit of that green that's next to it. And I'm just taking that on a plain eyeshadow applicator and plopping that right on the lid. Now going back in with that M431 brush in the shade Single, I'm going to deepen up the outer corner. And I'm also going to put a tiny bit of Escape in the outer corner as well. Now in the crease, I'm just going to take a little bit of Escape once more on an even smaller brush to deepen it up. Now I'm going to repeat what we did in the crease to the lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with B518, Skip, and then Single. Now I'm going to finish off the other eye and pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, eyes are all done, so now let's finish off the face. First I'm going to contour using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit in the shade Light Medium. Now for blush, like always, I'm going to go in with the Allure Cosmetics Rainbow Deluxe palette, and I'm going to use that Pinky Peach shade at the bottom. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with a BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighter palette, and I'm going to use the shades Stream and Glow. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to go in with the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lip in the shade Malice. And I'm going to top that off with the Kylie Jenner Lip Gloss in the shade Poppin'. So here's the finished look, guys. I had a lot of fun recreating it, and I really hope you enjoyed how it turned out. And if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!